In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone online. If someone is bothering you or you simply want to prevent messages and calls from a particular contact, blocking is a quick, discreet way to regain control. The person won't be notified that you blocked them, and you can always reverse it later if you change your mind. After you block someone, they can't message, call, or see your timeline updates, which is different from just removing them as a friend. Start by launching your Line app on your phone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so changes save right away. If the app asks you to log in, go ahead and sign into your account and complete any verification that appears. Once you're in, you should land on the main area of the app. Next, head to the Home tab. On most devices, this is the icon that looks like a little house along the bottom of the screen. From Home, tap Friends to open your contact list. This view shows all your added contacts in one place, which is exactly where we need to be for blocking. If you accidentally end up in chats, just return to Home and open Friends again. Now locate the person you want to block. Scroll through the list until you find their display name, and double-check the profile photo if needed to make sure you've got the right contact. You don't need to open the chat. We're going to do this directly from the Friends list. For iPhone users, the action is a simple gesture. Swipe left across the person's name to reveal options, then tap Block. This brings up a confirmation so you don't block someone by accident. If you change your mind at this point, you can cancel and nothing will be saved. For Android users, press and hold on the person's name to open the context menu, then choose Block. Just like on iPhone, you'll see a confirmation prompt next, giving you a chance to back out if you tap the wrong contact. When the pop-up appears, confirm by tapping Block. That's it. The contact is now blocked. Their existing chat thread, if you have one, will remain in your list for your reference, but new messages and calls from them won't come through. They also won't see your new timeline posts or status updates. If you ever need to revisit the decision, remember that blocking isn't permanent. You can manage your blocked contacts later without notifying the other person. App layouts can shift slightly with updates, but the process stays the same. Open Line, go to Home, open Friends, find the contact, use the iPhone swipe or the Android long press, and confirm Block. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Line experience calm and in your control.